Kajing Pembenaya Resort Matrik Nega Secondary School Living Certificate SSSC Matau Stem Aja Punreu Jong Kemigalia Board of School Education Kidon San Pengut Bapoy Haka Top 20 Nega Top Ke Apungut Kidon Baro Sopu Praja Ruspa Apply Ngut ke Ialeh yang nega exam Matau Stem Bat Nagini Bapas Kalong Sopu Hajar Aspa Alpu Prangut Kebalakot Siaga Prapunreu Point Prapsau Persen Mensiam Stem Aja Apsan Kiba Pas Matrik Kilong Prapnyo 0.10% kabakiw 10% nakaba day mentau snem. Uwang kalama na korka Patshala Higher Secondary School Shillong ulawan banengkong da bakamay sanspa propson marks buat sa official kuma sanspa new punreu marks na MB Rosewood Higher Secondary School Tura nangta sa Prajukta Roy na 7 set High Secondary School Shillong bat ke Prinita Das kebayo mar sanspa nyupusan mak na pichon isang ma memorial Police Public Secondary School Tura. Kajing pas matrik ikna hakan ika asnem ka kiw hadu kata-kata kebalong pelat ika prapo persen banyan ujo berkisnem balik hakaba kajing pas kalong tangkum bahan du po persen AA. Layok ru banyak keren bat ki katu kaningut ki semla bawan hakikel dan beper-per kamtam bawan hakikel dan banengkong.
To say to everyone that don't think of me as a topper or even as a nerd. I'm just like everyone. I just try to enjoy my life. I try to live my life to the fullest, and I try to excel. I try to live everything that I do. So everything has a time. So you have to study when you have to study, and you have to enjoy when you have to enjoy. My study schedule, it was not fixed. I'm not that kind of person. I just give it all when I have to. That's all.
So do you think that?
To be honest, CM Impact Guidebook, I didn't even study much from there. I relied wholly on my books and my qualified teachers, and and all the examinations in the school that were held. They all helped me hone up my skills, and they helped me in knowing what I lacked. So I studied the books throughout, and the same guidebook also, it helped. For pass marks, you can study, but if you aim for good results, you should always see your textbooks. The MCQs, I took knowledge from the CM Impact, and I just went through the question and answers that were in the CM Impact, but I think 20% it helped me. My favorite subject, to be honest, I don't like any subject, but I really like literature. I like English. I like, because literature, even in Nepali and even in English, the stories, they are not just plain lines. They speak to the soul. They teach us how to be human. Because you see, words that we have in our heart, we cannot say, sometimes we cannot say, we cannot express it from our words, but when we write it, we can express it thoroughly. So I think I like literature, and I think every subject is good.
So what is your next?
I would like to say that for examination, first what you have to do is know your books throughout. You have to study your books, because through the books everything will come. If not everything, almost 80%. So you have to have a vast knowledge of the topics from the books. You have to know your books through and through. Your books have to be a good friend of yours. First, you have to finish your books, and you have to practice your writing. Then if we have a doubt somewhere, then we can look it up in social media. Everything is available. We can clear our doubts from there, and we have our teachers also. But I would like to say that self-study and proper guidance from valuable teachers, and knowing yourself, discovering studies through yourself, through your books, self-study, I think that is the key. Well, for the most half also, it was that was catching up to me, but yes, I also use social media, and I also play games, but when the class 10 session started, I really love playing football, and I also love playing mobile games. So, but I really thought that if I have to achieve something, I also have to sacrifice, because if I don't sacrifice anything, how can I expect something good? So I really gave up on playing football the whole year, and I also deleted all my games. But to keep in touch with all my friends and also to keep in touch with life, I use social media. But at the last few months, I just deleted everything.
So can you tell us when you
My name is Wangel Lama, and I'm from Gorkha Pathshala Higher Secondary School.
So you're
My timing to study, to be honest, at the starting of the year, when the result was out, our teachers were hoping a lot from our past seniors, and to see that they did not make it, it was very disappointing. And our teachers, they spoke to us in a very heartfelt manner, and that really hit me. And I was like, I'll do this for my dear teachers and for my dear school that has given me everything. I will surely give them a moment to celebrate. I was thinking that all along. But in the middle of the year, I was also thinking that this is class 10, my last year in school, so I should enjoy well with my friends. And in that moment, I was not that much up with my studies. I surely gave time to it, but I was not that serious. But when it really hit me was during the selection. I studied very hard, and in the last few days of December and throughout January, I really gave it my all. I thought that class 10 will only come once in a lifetime. So after I get my results, if I don't feel fulfilled by it, then what can I do? Because this moment is only coming for one chance in a lifetime. So I really gave it my all throughout January and the last of December. I would like to say to everyone that you don't have to be perfect. You don't have to doubt yourself. You can achieve anything and everything. You just have to give it your whole heart. And me myself, I gave it my all during the last few months. But of course, I had a vast knowledge of the topics. I just gave it my heart and soul during the last month.
Did you expect this?
Well, to be honest, from the starting of the session, I was always aiming for the top. And in the middle of the journey, sometimes the weight used to catch up to me, and I used to lose hope in myself. But then, at that moment, all my teachers, who are like my second parents, they were always there to guide me. Whenever I lost belief in myself, they were always there to push me. They told me that I can reach the highest heights. So I would first of all, I would like to thank my parents, my mother and my father. They worked very hard for me. Secondly, I would like to thank my teachers and also my school, because they have given me everything. What I am today and what I stand as today, all of it is a conglomeration, and it is a result of their efforts. I would like to say that. And lastly, I would like to thank God Almighty that He gave me such a wonderful moment to celebrate, to commemorate my hard work and efforts. And to be honest, I didn't even check my result. I was so nervous and I was so scared that I just put my phone on flight mode, and I was listening to Lord Krishna's teachings, and I was meditating. And the moment it was 11 o'clock, I just came to school with my mother without knowing anything, and seeing all the celebrations and all the wildness going on. I didn't even know what happened. I came here and they all said, and it all hit me, till now also I'm feeling like it all feels like a dream. To be honest, I never thought that I could not achieve this, but there is always something that also, how can I, there are thousands of students going for this exam, so it will be very difficult. So, but to be getting this wonderful result, I'm really thankful to God. And to be honest, it all feels like a dream, and it all feels so ethereal. And my mindset was because if I wouldn't get this position, my teachers would be disappointed, I would be disappointed too. Yes, I would feel very broken hearted. So I thought that in that moment, Lord Krishna's teachings helped me. Like we should anything that we do, we should do it with our whole heart. Because the human duty, the foremost human duty is to fulfill our responsibilities, our dharma and our karma. And we should, whatever we do, we should do it with our whole heart, and we should never have any expectation for the result. Because when we carry out our actions like that, even if we achieve victory, the pleasure of victory won't affect us, and even the suffering of defeat won't affect us. So throughout these few weeks, I have been pondering upon that, and that was my mindset all along. And I'm very thankful to God that I have received this great, this monumental, this result of such magnitude. And I'm thankful to everyone, my teachers and my school that has given me everything, and my parents. That's all I would like to say.
Hours regularly before December. So that was consistently 8 hours a day. Take science, and after 12th complete it and pursue my passion. Who inspired me? Honestly, it was no person other than myself and my parents, and along with my teachers. In my family, I think so, I am the sole person who has been able to appear in the merit list, and I'm very thankful to God, all my teachers and school, including my parents, for that opportunity or handing it to me. And this was the force which drive me. I had to be the one who was there, who was above in my family heritage. That's what drove me. To that, I'd really like to pour my heart into it. I really like cooking. It's sort of my passion, and I see me being a future in the next 10 years. I see myself being a chef. Yeah. I only studied MCQs from the guidebook, but at the end of the session, I wanted to include all the question answers there was in the CM guidebook. So I started studying that. But at the end, I realized textbook is the best source to study from. And whilst November came, I started studying the textbook wholly. And it was not that I did not study online. I really relied on YouTube also. I used many various online sources to fulfill my learning. Beginning of the year, I was very serious. By the end of December, I had finished my course 3 times. So I got overconfident, and amidst January, I started procrastinating. It was the time when I should have studied the hardest. So that is the reason why I am at the 8, or I might have gone higher. So I used to affect me. And what I want to tell to all the persons hearing, that procrastination is the cost of the life you want. If you don't sacrifice things to obtain the life you want, you will not have anything. So social media does very harmful effects to one, and I am a victim too. If I had studied a bit harder, the result, my outcome might be a bit different. That's what I would like to tell. And for results to come, you must sacrifice the thing which hold you back.
Amit Thapa, principal. Yes. At the top, we feel we are at the top of the world. It's a historic day for our school. For the first time, our school have achieved the top positions. Before, on 3 occasions, we have also our school have achieved positions, but this is the first time we got the number 1 position. So, congratulations to everybody, my students, teachers, everybody. It's the hard work that has yielded this result.
So this is the first time you got
84 of our students have appeared for the exams, but I'm so sorry, do not have the data now, because after seeing my students in the 3 positions, we are just celebrating. I'm yet to collect the full data.
So three students are in the top 10.
Yeah, yes. First, then we have 8th position, and then 7th and 8th position as well.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, sir. And this year has become, and this year, I think everybody knows that we are celebrating 150 years of our foundation. It's a Saski Centennial celebrations. So I think I cannot ask for anything better than this from my students. It's a gift from my students. to the teachers, to the school.
Expected, sir? That you expected?
Yeah, in fact, we were expecting good results because we really had a very good set of batch this year. So we were expecting good results. But top positions, of course, it's some kind of luck also, I think it's required. But of course, it's the hard work of the students and the teachers.
So do you think that there was a change, like, you know, there were from past, the way teachers were teaching or anything like that, is that affected?
Actually, ma'am, whatever effort we have been doing the same for the years. But every year after the results, we are left with disappointment because our students will always miss the position by few marks. So maybe this time we are putting all our best effort, and maybe that is what has given us this exceptional result.
So can you tell us how many students are giving